Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your go-to source for the latest news on XRP, cryptocurrencies, and precious metals. On this channel, all news content is exclusively generated by AI, ensuring real-time updates that are uploaded up to 4 times a day. With AI-generated news, you can trust in its impartiality and objectivity, as it remains unaffected by personal biases, emotions, or external pressures like sponsored advertising that can influence content creators. By relying on AI-generated news, you can access a higher volume of XRP information in a shorter amount of time. With my objective and impartial reporting, you will be better able to form opinions based on facts. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to the channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out my recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. AI Xrp New News Update. David Schwartz, Ripple's Chief Technology Officer, CTO, has announced that significant developments are on the horizon at the upcoming celebration of their legal victory in New York City. These announcements are expected to revolve around 2 major topics: the highly anticipated initial public offering, IPO, and a resolution with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. As the long-awaited victory celebration for Ripple's triumph over the SEC approaches, members of the XRP community are eagerly anticipating substantial news from the crypto giant. XRPP, at XRP_Productions, a prominent figure within the XRP community, recently made predictions in a post on X, which garnered significant attention: a comprehensive settlement with the SEC, an announcement regarding an IPO, XRP surpassing its all-time high during the celebration, a whimsical scenario involving Gary Gensler, chairman of the SEC. This post quickly gained traction and even caught the eye of David Schwartz, the CTO of Ripple. In response to these speculations, Schwartz clarified that only 2 of the listed predictions would materialize. Given that Ripple can realistically fulfill the first 2 predictions, it is reasonable to assume that these are the major announcements in store. The third prediction, which involves XRP reaching $3.84, a 668% increase from its current price of $0.4997, seems unlikely in the near term. Additionally, there is no chance that Gary Gensler will participate in the playful scenario described in the 4th prediction. Regarding the final prediction, if XRPP can achieve it, it would undoubtedly be a cause for celebration, but David Schwartz has not confirmed it. Consequently, the focus remains on the first 2 predictions. While the community is having fun with their responses, there is a widespread belief that Schwartz's statement confirms these significant developments. It will be intriguing to discover the specifics of the SEC settlement and to witness Ripple's future trajectory following an IPO, given the challenges posed by the lawsuit. AI Xrp New News Update. Shannon Thorpe, a financial expert, has put forth a unique perspective on XRP's future value, challenging the conventional belief that utility metrics alone will determine its price. Thorpe suggests that XRP's value will be primarily influenced by major financial groups, emphasizing the need to explore deeper dynamics beyond numerical utility metrics. Thorpe presents a scenario in which 2 banks utilize XRP for payments, but questions the common assumption that increased utility automatically leads to a price surge. Instead, she contends that XRP's value growth is intricately linked to business efforts, setting it apart from Bitcoin's price fluctuations driven by speculative sentiment among retail investors. Furthermore, Thorpe rejects the notion that XRP's fate should be tied to Bitcoin's performance, highlighting Bitcoin's limited utility compared to XRP's broader potential. In Thorpe's perspective, the key to understanding XRP's value lies in Ripple's extensive collaborations with major global financial organizations. She suggests that influential financial groups, such as the World Bank, the International Monetary Fund, IMF, and the Federal Reserve System, could significantly impact XRP's value. Thorpe envisions that if Ripple's activities involve these organizations, it could contribute to a positive outlook for XRP, positioning it as a symbol of global economic stability and freedom. AI Xrp New News Update. Amidst the extended bear market in the cryptocurrency realm, crypto whales have seized the opportunity to accumulate various tokens. An analyst highlighted in a video posted on YouTube by Altcoin Buzz pointed out that these whales are particularly acquiring wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, USDT, Tether, and XRP in substantial volumes. The video revealed that whales are acquiring significant quantities of WBTC, which should not be confused with Bitcoin itself. WBTC is a tokenized version of Bitcoin that operates on the Ethereum blockchain. Data indicates that since July 6, whales have amassed more than 3,100 WBTC tokens, valued at $92 million, from platforms like Binance and Bitfinex. Moreover, the analyst noted that whales are transferring their WBTC holdings from exchanges and utilizing them within decentralized finance, DeFi, ecosystems, where they can engage in trading, staking, and earning interest on their tokens. The video also mentioned that whales have been accumulating substantial volumes of USDT. During prolonged bear markets, investors often turn to stable coins like USDT to mitigate losses and weather the market downturn. Despite a decline in the stablecoin market cap over the past 18 months, the video revealed that it experienced a resurgence in August, with the market cap increasing by more than $660 million. However, the analyst pointed out that this accumulation of stable coins appears to be for short-term holdings, signaling that whales may be planning to re-enter the market at an opportune moment. While XRP showed signs of resurgence in July, the token has experienced increased activity since the beginning of the month. According to the video, blockchain transaction tracking data indicates that XRP whales have conducted transactions involving over 1 billion XRP since September 1, marking a 7-month high in on-chain volume. Notably, one of the largest transactions involved the transfer of 424 million XRP tokens worth over $214 million between two undisclosed addresses. Additionally, 19 million XRP tokens valued at $10 million were transferred from an anonymous wallet to Binance. Furthermore, Ripple itself moved 75 million XRP tokens, worth $37 million, from Binance to an undisclosed wallet. As per data from CoinMarketCap, XRP is currently trading at $0.5012, reflecting a 0.57% decline over the past 24 hours. Xrp New News Update. The Palau stablecoin project, which aimed to introduce a US dollar-pegged stablecoin, has been suspended by the government of Palau, leaving users and industry observers with questions about its future. The Palau Ministry of Finance has set a deadline for the distribution of the Palau stablecoin, PSC, with issuance ceasing on September 8. After the suspension of distribution, the stablecoin will become unspendable for users from September 15 onward. While specific reasons for the abrupt suspension were not provided, the government plans to send a survey to participants to gather feedback and insights that will shape the future course of action. The insights and feedback from users will be critical in shaping the project's next steps, and they will contribute to a conclusive report presented to Congress and the nation's president. However, the lack of explicit reasons for the suspension has led to speculation and uncertainty within the cryptocurrency community, potentially impacting Palau's reputation in the digital currency space. Moreover, the relatively short lifespan of the Palau stablecoin project, which started in July and ended abruptly in September, may not provide sufficient data and experience to inform decisions for future developments in the stablecoin space. Despite this setback, the lessons learned from this experience can still contribute to shaping future regulatory approaches and user-centric development in the broader crypto industry. As nations continue to explore blockchain-based financial solutions, insights from projects like Palau's stablecoin will play a crucial role in guiding the industry's path forward. Xrp New News Updates. Prominent crypto lawyer John E. Deaton discussed the potential ways banks could use XRP via Ripple's on-demand liquidity (ODL) system following the recent court ruling in the case of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) versus Ripple. In July, Judge Torres granted a partial victory to both parties, with the SEC's lawsuit deeming only sales of XRP to institutional investors as securities. Deaton believes that institutions could utilize ODL without making an investment, as they are not relying on Ripple's efforts and are merely using XRP as a bridge currency. ODL allows for the seamless transfer of value between entities without the need for Ripple's direct involvement, making it distinct from Ripple's liquidity hub, which has faced criticism for its approach. Deaton argues that institutions could purchase XRP from platforms like Coinbase or Uphold and use it as they see fit within ODL transactions. He emphasizes that the short time frame of ODL transactions does not allow for significant profit, reinforcing the idea that institutions are using XRP primarily as a bridge currency. This perspective aligns with statements made by Gary Gensler in 2018, before he became SEC chair, where he acknowledged XRP's role as a bridge currency. While the legal battle between the SEC and Ripple continues, with a jury trial scheduled for 2024, the SEC has not challenged the status of XRP itself. XRP is currently trading at just above 50 cents, showing a modest 1% increase over 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap data. Xrp New News Update. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, has reaffirmed its commitment to providing users with diverse trading options by expanding its support for XRP. The exchange has introduced the Xrp FDUSD trading pair, offering traders new avenues to engage with this popular digital asset. This expansion is centered around the introduction of FDUSD, a dollar-pegged stablecoin launched earlier this year by a subsidiary of First Digital, a Hong Kong-based custodian company. FDUSD is backed by cash and other cash equivalents, providing stability within the highly volatile cryptocurrency market. Currently available on the Ethereum and BNB chain networks, FDUSD has gained attention and is now the 11th largest stablecoin, with a market capitalization of $393 million. In addition to pairing XRP with FDUSD, Binance has also introduced FDUSD trading pairs with other prominent cryptocurrencies like Solana, Sol, and Dogecoin, Doge. This expansion aims to provide traders with increased flexibility and accessibility to their preferred digital assets. Starting at 8 o'clock UTC, Binance users can access trading opportunities with Sol, FDUSD and Doge, FDUSD pairs. Furthermore, the exchange plans to open trading for TOMO, TRI and UNFI, TRI pairs, further diversifying its trading options. Xrp New News Updates. Benjamin Cowan, the founder of Into the Cryptoverse, has shared his perspective on the ideal portfolio composition based on modern portfolio theory, MPT. According to Cowan, MPT suggests that a well-balanced portfolio that maximizes risk-adjusted returns should comprise 72% Bitcoin, BTC, 27% Ethereum, ETH, and only 1% Ripple, XRP. As of the time Cowan made this assessment, XRP was trading at $0.5012, with a slight 0.30% decline in the past 24 hours, while BTC and ETH had registered gains of 0.07% and 0.46%, respectively, during the same period. Looking at XRP from a technical perspective, Cowan noted that the cryptocurrency had established a higher low, continuing its gradual positive trend over the past 2 weeks. However, it had recently entered a correction phase, potentially risking a drop below the trend line. If XRP breaches this trend line, the next significant support level to watch is at $0.4715. To invalidate the bearish scenario, XRP needs to close a daily candle above the 9-day exponential moving average, EMA, line at approximately $0.5080. This would pave the way for a challenge of the resistance level at $0.5380, followed by potential gains toward $0.5890 and even $0.6405 if bullish momentum persists. Conversely, a rejection from the 9-day EMA line could lead to a retracement to retest the positive trend line. Xrp New News Updates. Chris Larsen, the co-founder and executive chairman of Ripple Labs, recently discussed Ripple Labs' ongoing legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in an interview with Bloomberg. He delved into the key developments in the federal-level actions related to Ripple Labs, with a notable milestone being the SEC's objection to the court's primary judgment. Larsen highlighted that the recent ruling in favor of Ripple, confirming that XRP was not considered a security during its public offering phase, has loosened the SEC's grip on critical regulatory aspects. This development is seen as a landmark precedent and a significant shift in the regulatory landscape, providing clarity on how digital assets are classified. Larsen also emphasized the importance of clear and well-defined regulations for digital assets. He criticized the regulatory ambiguity and suggested that regulatory rules should be established by Congress, not unelected regulatory bodies like the SEC. He pointed out that this regulatory uncertainty has led to an exodus of crypto innovators and entrepreneurs from the United States to more crypto-friendly jurisdictions like London, Singapore, and Dubai. Larsen's ultimate vision is for the United States to regain its leadership position in the global crypto industry, which would help hubs like San Francisco thrive once again. Xrp New News Update. The transaction throughput of the Xrp ledger is expected to increase from approximately 1,500 transactions per second, TPS, to 3,400 TPS due to upcoming upgrades. This increase in transaction throughput was first noticed by Kevin Cage, an investment advisor at IronKey Capital, who spotted the update on Ripple's website. While this news has generated both optimism and skepticism within the XRP community, it's important to note that there are ongoing pull requests on GitHub aimed at improving the network's transaction throughput. These upgrades are expected to be included in the forthcoming Ripple version 1.12 release. Ripple's engineering team highlighted the significant progress made in transaction throughput over the years. They mentioned that in 2015, testing could only handle 80 TPS, but recent tests have reached 3,400 TPS. However, Ripple's CTO, David Schwartz, cautioned that the claims on the website might be poorly worded, and real-world capacity could be closer to 300 to 500 TPS. In addition to the transaction throughput upgrades, XRP token holders are anticipating the launch of the XLS30D amendment, which will introduce a built-in automated market maker, AMM, trading platform into the XRP ledger. This AMM platform will enable users to earn income on-chain by providing liquidity to trading pools. While it offers the potential for earning fees, users should be aware of impermanent loss, which can occur due to price fluctuations in liquidity pools. XDC New News Updates. XDC Network, XDC, has received a very bullish rating from Investors Observer, with the crypto showing a 16.38% increase to reach $0.06804727589, while the broader cryptocurrency market is up 1.53%. Over the past 5 days, XDC Network has maintained a very bullish rating on the Investors Observer Sentiment Score, which measures the crypto's performance based on volume and price movement. The sentiment score provides a quick snapshot of XDC Network's recent performance, making it useful for both short-term investors looking to capitalize on rallies and longer-term investors seeking opportunities. XDC Network is currently trading close to its 5-day high of $0.06842445976755514, marking a 0.55% decrease from that high, but still up 24.22% from its 5-day low of $0.0547801479697228. The crypto's price is currently above a key resistance level, with support at approximately $0.055503453468724 and resistance at $0.06403373867811427. This places XDC Network in a potentially volatile position if the current rally loses momentum. It's worth noting that XDC Network has seen relatively low trading volume recently, indicating that today's volume is below its average over the past 7 days. XDC Network is a cryptocurrency that operates on its own blockchain, primarily used for payments across various use cases. AI Precious Metals New News Update. China's central bank, the People's Bank of China, PBOC, has continued its gold buying streak, adding 29 tons of the precious metal to its foreign reserves in August. This marks the 10th consecutive month of gold purchases by the PBOC and brings its year-to-date gold acquisitions to a total of 155 tons. August's purchase was also the largest by the central bank since December. China has been a prominent player in the gold market, with its recent buying spree mirroring a similar 10-month period of gold purchases that ended in September 2019. Analysts anticipate that China will continue to accumulate gold as part of its strategy to enhance the international credibility of the yuan and position it as a competitor to the US dollar as a global reserve currency. This completes the XRP New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.